Welcome! Procrastination has repeatedly been shown to be related to a student's lack of success in school. While it may help some to rush to meet a last-minute deadline or have them temporarily feel better in the moment, it can oftentimes be rather problematic in academic settings, as it prevents students from reaching a desired outcome. It makes sense that someone doesn't want to write that research paper or pull an all-nighter to study for an upcoming exam, especially when there are many other fun activities they could be doing instead. However, research has shown that procrastinating rarely ever leads to positive outcomes and academic success. When someone procrastinates, they're intentionally putting off doing a task that is supposed to be done. Perhaps it's avoided to reduce anticipated stress. The task just seems unpleasant to do, there's something else that takes priority, they're overconfident, or there's a strong fear of failure if they try. Procrastinating can also often lead to feelings of guilt or depression, as well as poor performance on academic assignments. Some things for students to consider is to remind themselves what their goal is that they're trying to accomplish, and how important is that goal to them. Does procrastinating get them closer or further away from their desired outcome? Also, how confident do they feel in attaining that outcome? Here are a few ways to reduce procrastination. Set deadlines. You can set your own earlier deadline, as the due date for a research paper is not the only date you can finish it. It's just the latest you can finish it. To make this easier to do, break down the task into smaller steps and make them more manageable to complete. For instance, writing a 10-page paper can seem pretty daunting. But what if it was only one paragraph? Start there and just do one section at a time. Set a goal to complete only the introduction paragraph one day, a single paragraph the following day, and so on. Research has shown that people tend to underestimate how long it takes to complete a task, so working gradually may be helpful in ensuring that you not only meet the deadline, but also submit a better paper that will result in a much higher grade. Apply efficient time management techniques. Set a timer and give yourself the next 30 minutes or an hour to work on that assignment or paper, accomplishing whatever you can within that time frame. Then reward yourself after that time is up. Remove any distractions that might be preventing you from completing the task. Is it tempting to constantly look at your phone? Maybe put it on silent during the designated time you're supposed to be studying. Or better yet, place your phone somewhere far away from you, where you'd physically have to get up and walk over to it to even glance at it. If you tend to browse the internet while on your computer that's unrelated to your current task, then try turning off your Wi-Fi for a set period of time while you complete your work. Afterwards, turn it back on and browse to reward yourself. And if it's less distracting to study or complete your work at school, the library, or a coffee shop, then those are options to consider. A lack of confidence or skills in completing an academic assignment may contribute to procrastination, as that task can be viewed as much more challenging to complete. Do you generally complete or attempt to finish other assignments in that class? As you become more knowledgeable in a subject, this may increase your confidence in completing future assignments. But if you struggle to complete your assignments despite your best efforts, consider informing your teacher, seeking out a tutor, or inquiring what academic accommodations are available to help foster your learning. Finally, completing a task with a group of peers has been shown to effectively reduce procrastination. An example of this can involve having each group member do a small part from the same task. In doing so, others will depend on you to complete your portion, therefore holding you more accountable to not let the group down. The group may also offer more support throughout the process, motivating you to complete the undesirable task. So, as you can see, there are a number of ways that can help reduce procrastination and increase your academic success. Feel free to screenshot this list as a reminder. If you would currently like to practice avoiding procrastination, then please press the like button, as it helps YouTube inform more viewers about these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.